Castor oil is one of those remedies you've probably heard about in your childhood, or maybe seen in old movies. Some say it's a miracle cure, while others think it's just a myth. But what's the real story? Today, we will see the benefits of castor oil and see what our natural health expert Barbara O'Neill has said about it. Is she in favor of it or not? Now, I know what you're thinking. Castor oil? Isn't that just some old-fashioned laxative my grandma used to talk about? Well, hold on to your hats, because we're about to uncover 10 hidden benefits of this liquid gold that'll make you wonder why you haven't been bathing in the stuff. But before we kick things off, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel so I can keep making such informative videos for you. I have also added links in the description to buy castor oil, so don't forget to check them out. Did you know our Heath expert Barbara recommend using castor oil compress rather than orally ingesting the oil? So let's see, how are we supposed to make one? If you already know it, you can skip this part. Now let's talk about benefits of castor oil.
So you need to have several thicknesses. See, I've got quite a few thicknesses there. And you have a plastic backing. This is what I do. And then you pour the castor oil on. Now castor oil is very, very thick, as you will see. So I put it on, and the reason I'm putting it on early in our lecture is because that's going to take a little while to soak in, so I cannot hold that up for you. But you might see that it's just sitting on top. And notice that I've just covered about a third of the area.
First, we will discuss the one that many of us care about: healthy hair. Did you know that castor oil could be your secret weapon for promoting hair growth? It's packed with vitamin E, omega-6 fatty acids, and ricinoleic acid, which helps improve blood circulation to the scalp. This can lead to healthier and stronger hair. But often we are confused with questions like, how should we use it for promising effects? Which oils to mix with it? Lucky for us, Barbara has got us covered. Let's see what she recommends.
I often get asked about what can we do for hair loss? How can we grow new hair? What can you do to the scalp to encourage the hair to grow again? You can make a mix that you can put on your hair. So half a cup of coconut oil and half a cup of castor oil. Castor oil is a very thick oil, but castor oil penetrates deeper than any other oil, so when that is put onto the scalp, it penetrates even deeper. Coconut oil is a very nourishing oil. It's an antifungal oil, antibacterial oil. But what you also can put with that, to that cup of oil, you can add 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. Rosemary is a herb that's specific for the scalp. So you could make up this mix in a jar and mix it very, very well, and maybe once a week you massage it into the scalp. Your hair will be very oily, of course, but you massage it into the scalp. Just even the massaging into the scalp stimulates blood supply to the hair follicles.
It's not just about hair on your head. Castor oil is a natural enhancer for eyelashes and eyebrows too, helping to make them fuller and more defined over time. Now, moving on to skincare, castor oil is great for moisturizing. It penetrates deep into the skin, keeping those dry spots, like elbows and knees, hydrated for longer. Plus, it's a natural way to fight inflammation, whether you're dealing with sore muscles or irritated skin. You will often hear our health expert Barbara saying that castor oil penetrates deeper than any other oil, so nothing else stands a chance against this natural emollient. But castor oil isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. This versatile oil packs a punch when it comes to fighting inflammation. Whether you're dealing with sore muscles, poor digestion, achy joints, or skin irritation, castor oil has got your back. It's like having a personal anti-inflammation bodyguard beyond its external uses. Castor oil also plays a vital role internally, particularly as a natural laxative. While it may not be the most glamorous of functions, it is one of the most effective. For generations, people have turned to castor oil to alleviate constipation and improve digestive health. The ricinoleic acid in the oil activates the digestive system, stimulating the intestines and ensuring a smooth bowel movement. Yet, it doesn't just clear out blockages. Many believe castor oil acts as a detoxifying agent, helping the body flush out harmful toxins, enhancing your overall sense of wellness. But no one wants to go through the horror of gulping oil. Let's see what Barbara says about it.
To the abdomen for constipation, it'll penetrate very, very deep and break up congestion there. I met a lady who cured her irritable bowel with castor oil compresses. So this is probably not a big enough compress. I won't hold it up because it's still going everywhere. It will go everywhere. That's probably not a big enough compress for me. That'd be a nice size for Jeremy. So for a chest, and you can apply it to the chest and it'll break up congestion in the chest. So for the chest, you probably want an area about that big to apply to the chest. For the abdomen, an area maybe about that big. So when you apply it to the abdomen, it's hip to hip, belly bone to pubic bone, that's about the area, and then you always cover it with plastic. What plastic does is it keeps it from spoiling your clothes, also keeps it warm and prevents chilling.
According to Barbara, not only it helps with constipation, it also breaks kidney and gallbladder stones.
That will penetrate into the colon and heal the colon if the person has bad diarrhea. Remember Psalm 104 verse 14? God gave herbs for the service of man. So whether it's diarrhea, irritable bowel, or whether it's constipation, the castor oil will go in and it will penetrate very, very deep, and it causes a cleansing and a healing in that area. It's a remarkable herb. So you can use it to break up gallstones. So you would put it, say, on the liver area under the right rib. You may put it at the back.
Women, castor oil packs have long been used to promote circulation in the reproductive organs, potentially easing conditions like menstrual cramps, endometriosis, and ovarian cysts. Although modern research is limited in this area, many women report that the warming sensation of castor oil applied to the lower abdomen brings significant relief, helping to balance hormones and support overall reproductive well-being. Its gentle yet powerful effect on the body has made it a cherished remedy for those seeking natural approaches to women's health.
Oil, pour it in and don't touch it for about half an hour, and that will soak in. Now that's a really good area to put on the abdomen. Now if castor oil is applied to the abdomen, it will heal any problems in the abdomen. So what have we got in abdomen? For a woman, there's the uterus. So that will penetrate and break up fibroids in the uterus.
But in today's world, we're all looking for ways to stay healthy and keep our immune systems in top shape. Well, guess what? Castor oil has got you covered there too. The oil's detoxifying qualities also extend to its impact on the immune system. Castor oil has been linked to improvements in lymphatic function, which is critical for a strong immune response. By applying castor oil packs to the skin, soaking a cloth in the oil and placing it on the abdomen, people have reported improved lymphatic drainage. This practice is said to encourage the removal of waste and toxins from the body, contributing to better immune health and even helping to balance hormones. While scientific studies on castor oil packs are limited, many who use them claim noticeable improvements in their health and vitality. But we can't talk about lymphatic health without diving into a more specific area: breast lymph nodes. Castor oil packs are gaining attention for their potential to help with lymphatic congestion in the breast area. Women who experience swelling or tenderness in their breasts due to blocked lymph nodes have found that applying castor oil packs to the breast area may aid in improving lymphatic circulation and reducing discomfort. Though more research is needed, this is an exciting, natural approach for improving breast health, with some claiming noticeable relief after consistent use. As you have heard, castor oil influence on health doesn't stop there.
Castor oil penetrates deeper than any other oil, and wherever it penetrates it can break up lumps, bumps, adhesions. So great for cysts in the breast, for breast cancer, great for irritable bowel, great for constipation. It's very good at breaking up stones in the gallbladder, kidney stones.
It also helps with bone spurs and those who suffer from chronic joint pain or inflammation, have found that castor oil can provide much-needed relief. The anti-inflammatory properties of the oil's ricinoleic acid make it ideal for soothing swollen joints, particularly for those with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions.
Castor oil penetrates very deep, and it penetrates deeper than any other oil. So it can be used externally. And what it does, wherever castor oil penetrates, it breaks up lumps, bumps, congestions, adhesions.
A warm compress combined with castor oil applied to sore areas can work wonders, alleviating discomfort and helping to restore mobility. It's a natural remedy that rivals over-the-counter anti-inflammatory creams without the side effects, and its regenerative properties extend even further, particularly in wound healing and reducing scars. When applied to minor cuts, burns, or abrasions, castor oil creates a protective layer over the wound, locking in moisture and reducing the risk of infection. Its fatty acid content promotes the growth of new tissue, speeding up the healing process and minimizing scar formation. With regular application, castor oil can even reduce the appearance of older scars, making it a staple in natural first aid.
Swelling in my hand. It's been only 8 weeks since I broke this. The X-ray confirms that my bones are healed, but there's still a little bit of swelling there because it was quite a serious break. So I've brought you over my castor oil compress, and I've used one of those sheets that the 15-year-old's knee went through, and I've actually got about 10 layers there, and I put that on my hand like this, and I bandage it. I'm getting very good at this because I do it every night, because I quickly discovered my husband's not a nurse. He does it in a bit of a hurry and doesn't do it quite right. And so there's my castor oil compress that I will sleep with. I sleep with it every night. So why am I putting a castor oil compress on this? Because that was quite serious damage. My ulna was fractured, my radius was totally broken and out of place. Whenever you've got an injury, you've got the possibility of scar tissue building up. And so this is very good at stopping scar tissue developing. And many people have problems years later after an injury from scar tissue. So if someone maybe had appendix taken out 10 years ago, sometimes they get more problems now because of scar tissue building up from that. So castor oil will break up any unnatural substance. So it'll break up a bone spur, it'll break up kidney stones, it'll break up gallstones. It will even help to break cataracts up, so you can put a drop of castor oil on your finger and wipe it over your eye, then do it to the other eye. Could you put it in your eye? Absolutely. It's just easier to wipe it over your eye though, because it's so sticky. So if you know what castor oil does, you start to know where to apply it. When I was in I think it was Nebraska last year, a lady came to me and she was in her 70s. She said, my foot had this bunion on it, and the bunion came out about 1/2 inch. She said, I've been applying a castor oil compress to it every night for 2 months and it's gone.
Another powerful, though lesser known benefit of castor oil is its ability to combat fungal infections. Castor oil contains undecylenic acid, which is effective in treating conditions like athlete's foot, toenail fungus, and ringworm. Applying the oil directly to the infected area can reduce symptoms, promote healing, and prevent further spread of the infection. Over time, its antifungal properties help restore the skin and nails to a healthier state, offering a natural alternative to prescription treatments. On the flip side, castor oil's ability to promote wellness isn't confined to internal organs alone. It can also be a surprisingly effective tool for oral health. With its antimicrobial properties, castor oil can reduce harmful bacteria in the mouth, making it useful for preventing gum infections, bad breath, and even cavities. Those who practice oil pulling, swishing a small amount of castor oil in their mouths, often find that it leaves their teeth feeling cleaner and their breath fresher, all while contributing to overall dental hygiene. What's even more unexpected is the way castor oil can contribute to better sleep and reduce stress. While most of its benefits are physical, its soothing, warming properties have a calming effect on the body. The sensation of a castor oil pack on the abdomen, for example, not only helps with digestion or detoxification, but also promotes relaxation. This gentle warmth encourages the body to slip into a state of rest, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Many who incorporate castor oil into their evening routine report feeling more relaxed and refreshed upon waking. And here's one more you may not have heard before: castor oil for glaucoma. That's right, it's been gaining attention for its potential eye benefits. Some natural health enthusiasts suggest that castor oil can help lower intraocular pressure and improve eye health, which is critical for those dealing with glaucoma. Though you should definitely consult your doctor before using any new treatment for a serious condition like this. Castor oil eye drops, pure, hexane-free, have been used by some people to reduce symptoms related to dry eyes and potentially help with glaucoma. However, more research is needed to substantiate these claims, so proceed with caution and professional advice.
Yeah, castor oil can be nice too.
With it?
It's very thick and sticky.
Do you use castor oil for many remedies?
Lots of remedies. Great in the eyes. Do you know what amazes me? People say, oh, but Barbara, is it safe? Do people ever ask the doctor, is it safe when they're going to put a needle in the eye? I would never let anyone put a needle in my eye.
Who puts a needle in their eye?
They put needles in people's eyes to release pressure for glaucoma when all they really need is castor oil.
Through each of these examples, one thing becomes clear. Castor oil is far more than just an old-fashioned remedy. Its hidden benefits go beyond the surface-level applications many are familiar with, offering a deep, multifaceted solution to a wide range of health and wellness concerns. Whether you're looking to improve the health of your skin, boost your hair's vitality, detoxify your body, or even find relief from stress and anxiety, castor oil's versatile nature makes it a valuable addition to any natural wellness routine. With each drop, it continues to prove its worth as one of nature's most underrated elixirs, providing benefits that stretch far beyond its humble origins. So, don't write it off as just your grandma's old-fashioned remedy. When you need a little help keeping things moving, castor oil can be a gentle yet effective solution. If you want to take a proactive step in preventing serious brain diseases like Alzheimer's, don't forget to watch the next video. Eat these 10 foods to avoid Alzheimer and dementia. It's full of easy changes you can make to protect your brain health. And did you like the video? If yes, then like, share, and subscribe as a token of support. And don't forget to check the links in the description if you haven't already. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and keep exploring the amazing secrets nature has to offer.